Hey guys, just a quick thank you video to the subs are up to 435. Really cool. Thank you very much for everybody who watches. I really appreciate it. Just want to do a quick video I got in the mail. Spyderco. I like the Digicam with the black blade. But the only thing is, it's not a Spyderco, it's a Spyderco clone. But, you know, about $100 cheaper than the real Spyderco. You can see, you know, a couple little differences. You know, the jimping, a little sloppy there, and a little thicker. Scales. Even the logo on the clip. A little sketchy, but I just like the look of the Digicam and the satin blade. Waiting for the Para 3 to come out. This is the Paramilitary 2. Just a nice, smooth blade. You know, this little rough, but it'll be fun just to carry around. Excuse me. But anyway, I was talking about the CZ75 SP-01. There's my Dawson sights. The plain rear. At least I got my height all set up. Dawson took care of me. But anyway, I'm going to show clear here. Just wanted to show some of the wear on this guy, on this barrel. Like maybe 3,000 or 4,000 rounds, something like that. Polished up pretty good. Yeah, this is all original except for the sights. I really need to want to get this trigger. I need some ideas of. Everybody says spring kits, you know, to get this trigger, this single double action, a little smoother. You can see a little wear inside there. Mostly the barrel. It's got that nice little wear pattern to a fine polish there. Feed ramp's starting to get a little bit there, but this gun it just goes and goes. You know, any ammo I put through it, it just runs like a champ. If I get that trigger a little bit lighter on the single action, I'd be real happy. So if you got any, I know Big Johnson's talked about Cajun Gun Works, you know, getting some springs from there. I gotta call those guys and see what it'll take to get a lighter trigger for this. It's easy. But anyway, I just wanted to share the Spyderco clone with you guys. And anyway, and thank you very much for 435 subscribers. That's just really cool. You know, headed towards 500. That'll be amazing. But have a great day, guys, and thank you very much for watching.